nagbabalik sa inyong mga talapitan. Welcome back to another video and welcome back to Maui. Yung meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Yung naging experience namin nung papunta kami sa airport nung naiwan nga kami ng aeroplano. Kasi yung ginagawa ko, imbis na magpanik ako, nagpe-pray ako. Ayun, so while praying, may mga revelation sa akin ng Lord during that time. So I was at peace and I was I was trying to be calm during that time. Nandito. Sinulat ko yun. Hindi pa siya. Tinype ko sa phone. Sabi, share ko sa inyo. Ayan. Title niya, may title pa nga eh. It's entitled Faith in Resting in God. Okay. Basahin ko na lang ha. Hindi ko memorize eh. So, you may do everything the right way. But if it's not the will of the Lord, it will never happen. Ayan, tanda mo yun. Napaka-importante niyan. Yun. Diba, meron tayong mga pwedeng ipilit eh. Pero, ang kasabihan nga, diba? Kung hindi ukol, hindi bubukol. Ayan. So kung hindi will ng Lord yun para sa atin, kahit anong gawin natin, kahit anong tumbling, it will never happen. Why? Because He has a higher purpose for you. Diba? Meron siyang higher purpose for you and I. Number 2 is He is saving you from a potential danger. Diba yun yung sabi ko kay Tim eh. Sabi ko baka naman iniiwas lang tayo ni Lord, baka naman may mangyayari na hindi maganda kung sumakay tayo dun sa flight na yun. Pangatlo, He is trying to teach you something. Lagi naman eh. Whatever circumstance that we go through, that we are in, merong tinuturo, laging may lesson ng Lord para sa atin. And then, He is trying to teach us, unang-una na, patience. Ayan. Kasi mahirap dyan yung waiting game eh. Diba? Yung nag-aantay ka for a breakthrough, nag-aantay ka dun sa pinagpipray mo na napakatagal na, nasagutin ni Lord. Diba? So, patience, endurance, putting your complete trust in Him. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Kasi usually, when we go through something, ang nangyayari, tayo na yung gagawa ng paraan, tayo na yung kikilos. Diba? Kailangan mong gawa ng paraan. Kadalasan, diba, ang gagawin natin, yung action muna. And then after that, pagkatapos, pag walang nangyari, tsaka natin pinipipray. Diba? Minsan nga naririnig natin kadalasan. Actually, hindi minsan. Madalas naririnig natin. All we can do now is pray. Diba? Medyo baliktad. So, kailangan, pagpe-pray muna natin, diba? Tsaka tayo gagawa ng action. And then, pag-pray natin kay Lord, yung action na gagawin natin, na i-bless niya, na i-guide niya tayo. But if it's in line with the will of God for you, He will make the impossible possible. He will make a way. Diba nga yung kanta? God will make a way. Yun, pag will niya, siya ang gagawa ng paraan para sa atin. Hindi tayo yung gagawa ng paraan para sa atin. And then, have faith. Have faith that God is with you in every step of the way. Importante yan. Na you are confident na alam mo na kasama mo si Lord every step of the way. Have faith that God will deliver you. Have faith that God will comfort you and give you peace whatever the outcome. Rest in the Lord. So whatever the outcome, parang yung nangyari sa amin, di ba? Pinagpipray namin na sana umabot kami, pero hindi kami umabot. But we were both at peace, kami ni Tim, na sabi ko nga, as long as we're together, pagkasama tayo, naiwan tayo. Kumbaga may problema. So, regardless kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo or nyo, importante magkasama kayo and you both are, kumbaga husband and wife perspective. O kung sino mang family member, kung sino nakasama mo sa buhay. Na you are both confident or you are confident na kasama mo si Lord whatever the outcome is. Kung hindi man mangyari, baka sinasabi ni Lord na it's not yet time. Diba? Or sinasabi ni Lord na I have a better something. I have better plans for you. Yun yung sinasabi ni Lord. Diba? And you may rest in confidence. Yan. You are confident na kasama mo si Lord. Kung ano man yun. Diba? So you will be at peace. Kung hindi man mangyari, you know that the Lord is still with you. Finally, ito yung pinaka-kicker dyan. Hebrews 11, chapter 11 verse 1. Ito, baunin mo tong verse na to. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Nasabi dito, now faith is the assurance of things hoped for and the divine evidence of things not seen. Napaka-importante ng faith. Hindi mo naman nakikita yung ginagawa ni Lord. Ang importante is you have faith in the Lord na He is doing something. He will be doing something kung ano man yung hinihingi mo sa Kanya. So kung anumang circumstance you are going through right now, rest in the Lord, have faith in the Lord na He will deliver you, He will bless you, He will guide you, He will comfort you, and He will give you peace at all times. Well, I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope that you were encouraged. I hope that you were blessed. Kung na-bless ka, if you like more videos like this, huwag mo kalimutan na i-like tong video na to and leave a comment and mag-subscribe ka na rin kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And always wear that smile because Jesus loves you. Aloha!